Ebuzafo higher juicy news. Mima Ubibia Akwaba had the latest hot Kwa Enamide Bremo. Enunti so we subscribe to channel dia Bomodia say obe subscribe. Dobea ne say obe click a year the subscribe button. Na wabeli notification. We answer video fufru bi ebe upload no. When the first person wonsa ebeka a year sa video. Afi ubia na wa like video no. Give us a thumbs up na fi. Share ma wo fufru so na when you be here. Na wo hu ensemo a ekoso ewo Ghana memo hanum afi yehwe eye ensemo abeto yepono so nti eye sa report ya ababetu ya bobi ti eye sa report enti report no
nti mama ye nya atwo akoya wa sai Ghana wo wa sai Ghana wonye ni wo fada na do darko Akufo Addo amamboyefo
obakone ni wo fase
omo sai Ghana okay aso me ka mageri wo toto papa so you say me ya sanitary sanka me sorry enene nansa and I'm a chase second Ofori Atta has been assassinated anka no was come to Net2 Agyapong for
Aden has been assassinated.
Yes,
so be kuna
I would have rejoiced.
Why?
I would have rejoiced. Oh yeah, obi wuna maninje.
Oh how?
Can Ofori Atta bonia would the economy na demand for afa hu. Domestic haircut nipa hene close to 1,000.
One ambassador.
The former boss of Kama Group of Companies. At the time of Kasami, no say about 800 of them were bound in wheelchairs. Before my bob was in Kofa go more banks. I know so do na for more will be more up to date for workers. Yes.
You are a victim.
Yes. First African Savings and Loans. Economy I will be supervising over one warfare. I'm one said Ghana's economy will fall for no good. Also, we are what you baby. What
am I DC or actually the late sir?
I'll repeat. And I have no fear about it. Sir, if I heard today that Ofori Atta had been assassinated, I would have rejoiced.
Oh, and based on yes, sure say wakumo mpana wodeke.
Me
because I will be obi who I ya wodesa.
Ade a memfa ensre obi ene na yare. And I say me mbo say yare embo obi. Ene wu so ebi kura pa studio ha me not live here. Yankopon person ojeme ko baje obi abewu. Oh yeah. But I'm saying said the wickedness of Ofori Atta and Anno Akufo Addo, greed and selfishness is what has gotten Ghana to where we are.
Okay.
We are talking about raid when you feel. What I mean?
Yeah, led by
Jackpa. You see, the Jackpa issue will come there. You see, if JB Danko do, Nkrofo ready in fee keke, and Omon Kuna can buy now what yes.
Yeah.
The business, the be at the cost. Wicked people were sent to kill the man. Allegations have it in that way. Sanka Roko Frimpong. Sanka you ready in fear keke na wonwu a aka by now we are a consultant to some of these financial institutions.
It is true.
There was a lady, a banker, same happened to her. Your friend is saying more in Centroni Ameswali, up to date and perform bo or minor bossy said J abai na fasha wo ha fa
me for back on count gapoha
you understand. If you are talking about just raid in his house, now we are crucifying special prosecutor. Don't forget, lawyers they did not really listen to the special prosecutor. I mean, the special prosecutor, I don't have any affiliation, so you know, it's not my issue. Now the fact is that Ofori Atta is trying to be dodgy in the affairs of getting them, and was the team press and say. It is the reason why he has to come out. But the MPP are very smart. They are playing the special prosecutor against the fact that he wants to keep his job. Now, who can Ofori Atta as a result of who want to kill Bankofu? Now, one can be ready with you. More Busiani one and Nipa Bako. Regular callers and testers are brad more babemo. Now, money pa back on a year, Akonu Adriane costing $18 million. Some of them as a nasty Mudinjane. Huh? The next person whose house should be raided is Nana Addo Akufo Addo himself.
Hey.
Yes.
Former president.
Of course.
How?
It's not about the law.
Yes, but
these people are a group of wicked ingrates.
In the house, no,
anything they want to find. Anything they want to find. And of course, I know them. If you read their history, they know how to cover their back. Seriously, you will never get a trace. But their course, right? And this group of people are, as we speak, a former best or one way diatem. Or fake why you're more ready or but the fact is that they bring parties to power. Yambisa said another Danko Kufado, the man only can Ofori Atta Mamu, regular colors and testers. Obi is close to them. Omoto party a friend of a key. You understand? Entina can a friend say Asefua, what's the name? Vincent Asefua, also carrying his own cross. And now you guys are linking over I say don't get Yasamo Radio Good to the fact that was say special prosecutor or make noise. Did he emphatically say that? He did not. He was saying said to say you know what higher can and noise na until said there will be serious prosecution leading to the incarceration of all some of these people who may be found culpable and I say guilty. NPP for no omo ko benkroma afedi omo defend can Ofori Atta omo ya
defense no more.
Yes. That can Ofori Atta on dwane na ye in charge no ye ni say lawyer na friend first na Adolfo lawyer Adolfo me hu ne da but on dey me hu no kura na chese make say mani beje pa because he's one person when these special prosecutors are vilifying up to date. There's nothing he will say that will be good about the special prosecutor. But Lord of we the one special prosecutor.
Special prosecutor, why are the papa?
Onya the papa.
Yeah, beside.
Me in my opinion, and you are you also saying it's a special prosecutor? Onya.
A question.
Me the madrum why are the papa?
Okay.
Me madrum why are the papa?
Na kutukuruku na ya. Owo Ofori Finance Ministry. 9 months and son year to aba. Sana o mem.
O mem what say? You say a friend saying system now a creative special prosecutor and one person na fighting against the special prosecutor.
Okay, next no more money here juma.
Yes, that was obey juma. And you share even the way as the person no call anyone. It could tell clearly say there was an infighter. Someone seen hands were manipulating
the CPEX.
And no more sooner or more a power. Because it was too much and we know it. Say in this country, people who are trying to fight corruption, the corruptors fight them.
Okay.
You understand? And the air course, it is making the special prosecutor say we're incompetent or nina juma.
Now, say lawyers is as some more can say answer no bet to me declare be wanted, sir. And there's a court and would not quite charging and I say you should a young woman, but who be bonting a press conference say who say when now corresponded with the lawyers and the doctors. Into a banner said who describe and say or a fugitive.
As I said, he gave about 5 reasons why he came to do that in the sense omo atry ne adim kita ho na kita ho na omo ne di no opese oyi hye ne lawyers and otchere mo say enye ne lawyers na eye finance minister. There are specific questions as I say ono no yi anu directly. And a letter trouble and also doesn't indicate to say he's bedridden and cannot. Mubarak, first, what's the Mubarak? Egyptian former president.
Okay.
No, that stretch is only in the court.
And we are court.
Yes,
the way to swear.
You see, when we are caught a baby, in fact, how many weeks will it take? And I say, how many days will it take for Ofori Atta to fly back to Ghana?
Yes.
So we want proof.
The doctors they are back.
The doctors they are back. Chihana odame ayu okachire obi so nkoye fake medical report.
And who did it?
Mejidi.
Okay.
Into who told you say can Ofori Atta want to mean the same thing? You understand? And yet bibia na you be taking hook, line and sinker. The people know said the Oma cause not only to destroy their party, they know they have caused the country until they want to fly out one by one. Can Ofori Atta baby or ten or beba amaya to tuna. Now why not address omba? And it is the your friends and the discourse between Olene special prosecutor outfit, and no mama say we are it out of money, one person back. And I don't see why people are just blasting and lambasting the special prosecutor.
Lawyers to be more say and who in yes can a bet now face to face with the OSP. As some of Pebia on charge
lawyer be obekasa oboa until I'm saying Mesomako yellow because the fact is that common sense no me use. Okay. Say common sense what degree come so you see when you
there's a who there who dare to say and who can emphatically say can Ofori Atta with the dream.
Maybe may can emphatically say based on the domestic haircut our young crofo or no who and yakri. And the fact is also that you say what did dream 13.5 billion euro bond what they are doing or memoir. And you wouldn't dream other than Wujan or more money say or bit said Kennedy Agyapong or Pame Kokachina say why ABC no. There are some of the questions you cannot say lawyer even though you might have instructed them. We want to see your demeanor when those questions are being put to you. That is why sometimes they demand a first lie detector what to go near their phone from and now say what to go now strike it. Make what you say Japa and a coffee. Wouldn't say baby as I say Japa must say wouldn't. I'm not the one to tell you can Google you find out.
Okay.
But the fact is that Japa is a fearless gentleman. As although now call her. I have no doubt that Japa will come out and say yes, I didn't go, I'm not the one who went there. So no Koha. He will say it, so no Koha. And so no Koha means that the state has sanctioned, and it is, I mean, But don't also forget, say, AI of late can put somebody's image and everything and do it in a manner that Japa the Koha. So two things, Japa can deny his presence in the house. But Japa has no fear in telling us that yes, I let people to raid the house. Japa doesn't fear anybody. For what I know. Oh, you will see videos and AI make me a painting camera me the frame basis so I manage to say
oh yeah, it's true.
Yes. So Japa can come out and deny say okay. And I'm saying Japa and Pampa. Now it is where he works, no apparatus, no architecture, and a man upon you. You think Japa will come and deny, say, and Yaman go.
No more if you no more
there have been serious allegations against the former finance minister.
Man at the board.
We Ghanaians and people in law, and even the special prosecutor, there have been several petitions that the special prosecutor has received. Yanina Musama, second Ofori Atta, Adye Dream. A first bond or J, commissions are whole tax SIC out what deny or more. Now, on the question enterprise insurance, Bebre.
So, call evidence power.
And evidence they say go to Google and see. Dream, it's part of it.
I say, Obi, Ekoji bond, and I say, financial facility be. Ona odigan nani abanani no moje bonds no nya the commissioner a dream conflict of interest
time na NDC wa abem no
Net2 Afede na ye
enye to the same kind of Ofori Atta
you don't know
you see
oye bi finance minister we say
but Net2 Afede no nya government appointee at the time ye nya finance minister
before so
do after he had left Bank of Ghana.
No, the bank no be finance minister Thomas Pence. So no so the same law no so in the lady.
Where are your evidence?
The bank you to Google.
You see, I know of two enterprises. In fact, we share report in Mukopa a womb. That is a Japanese document a womb. That is SAS also. That is and can go for Atta the bank, the data bank. And no, yes, woman, right? But I'm saying, sir, at the time, no, not do for, and I say, can for government man appointment to be. But you, as a finance minister, and can buy and come you any number bank before winning in years. Namonye. Now, the ocean baby could not be NDC time. And I'm just say, so one body amount appointment. as the substantive finance minister, you have no business in engaging in such a huge conflict of interest.
Of course, vetting okay question about say the data bank and the enterprise house the position. I was so okay.
Or say what resign?
Yes.
We are talking about the final beneficiary.
Yes.
You understand? Mama akwaya wa say Ghana wo. Wa say Ghana. Wonye ni wo fana na do darko Akufo Addo. Amamboyefo
obakun ni wo fase.
Omo say Ghana. Okay. Aso me ka Magjerry wo toto papa so de
ade ba ko a ken Ofori Atta asem we beto dwa. Me ba na asem no so ade abe me de ne se. Me de ebi mu o mo kasa me kasa asem we o mo kasa adwemmo do o betri me nya adwemmo ne. Me can say an eye for an eye, tit for tat. Enye ne bone so. Te me pese me nchemu ni say, sa emra na ema osimesi eho kwan. Ema ni di bone di ye ni ama di tia obi foforo no. Sa emra no say ye na eye still valid. Na say na so ye adwuma dia. Obi so yusu bi di obi a. Enye bone se ne ye obi ansa hwiye. Sa emra na ema ho kwan ema ahomache. Obi bowura John jinapo demu ekos sa ne ma egu ba bia omo season ni phone the laptops ni ekeka ho no se samra ne se sa ya de na wo de adibidi wa o si we are one people o si o we are all Ghanaians na John jinapo tape ni mumitie ni tape no asem bi oka ya me ne nyadwen ni speech ni de okasa fine na asem bi oka ya me ne nyadwen ni say or we seek and Ofori Atta all the best of luck. Oman boy ni paboni ni say you wish the best of luck. Na yakoya na say by me to me we seek and Ofori Atta anything good be as say happen to him because sebi you the odia nkrofo ebusuafo ne nkrofo papa ne nkrofo na nananom ebi to no na ebi ye no a hwe si ono onye nipa nchen obi a hwe Ofori Atta bonni ni niama odi adi nkrofo o mam ha se wo ho se ka ye ka bi a kire wa otimu se sa papa no gina honum na kra no I don't know how to describe him who upon somewhere we painting anim black or share white or kasa soft spoken as if so any papa ne replica any Ofori Atta. Look at how nkrofo a omuye the competitors o business competitors onu wanye na adwin say onu mu be compete fairly on fair grounds aka say okay me so me business we bi my idea and I say e be opportunity na menya no kra no me de be boa me di me business na akosoro hwene ma o use the businesses na ye enterprise insurance tio a buy contract insurance contractor na SIC as an insurance state insurance company no yajini nyina de koma enterprise insurance and also investment banks investment companies nyina ubas also beje investment companies for contracts and investment deals on nyina no u data bank e beje ye anso o si da bi mi wie and na call after the people na call na ukogu uko mo adwuma so na call say wo megu adwuma ugu no one after the other and that yan say onu podi ye di dronto ni so yo ade ade ato no so ya declare the fugitive no aye sama wayo waye omo maka no no masa so the propaganda and you know how it was the ogu adwuma no ama communication friend communication bureau of the party no say they should clean the mess no maba no mu tufi ya samu anim yesi o we ko wi sika wa ha no de ko bie bank no ma cancel me poto
investor sika ko gu
abrochire no mu omo the stories e good so
say do agongo wi
Ghana sika
na de akobie bank
na utie say do agongo interview no oni CTFM for interview no o say oni Ofori Atta ekoye meeting because no what say e ba be Google banks no call Ofori Atta because o say Ofori Atta na downfall otio o so na downfall okono na ken ka chen so da bi onye eno de maso no ka chen say the bank no plan say o pese on fan call international intino o say obetan ni obeba no na ken afre na ka chen say o enye possible wagu ni bank because almost see ono or a tenny on deserve say sika no on deserve so betumi be bank or say o share with description of the Bank of Ghana and say it doesn't deserve like on the whole so be betumi be bank. Look at how the Gina so I do go in the bank. Share Dr. Indum unu ma dia Kennedy Agyapong here Kennedy Agyapong so Ghana's finance minister and when you so enu hankwa or the that I Dr. Indum companies in Numa or Liberia. Dr. Indum companies in Liberia. Kennedy Agyapong went after the man in Liberia. Almost also sponsor Obi. Yo, Kennedy Agyapong sponsor Obi US. And then Dr. Indum also call court.
Oh, okay, court issue now. US.
Sponsor Obi from Ghana. And then Dr. Indum call court US. Because now I see Dr. Indum the deposit sika and ako. And no say about case ni guye. Still, no matter another person just say obu tata no all because on penny panasem only nye adwin. Na onim say odi boni we nyina hwe senka wabu akola de nka jane mane kode. Odi so obu abrausu. Hwe Dr. Indum edu airport a ade omude ye no na edu ba bi no nim so mu nwu na papa no. Sa papa ni ye say obeka no kre wa asem ni mu a. Ehonu mu as adana na Kennedy Agyapong afregiare. After regulatory agencies, NIC, National Insurance Commission, no after BOG, no after this, ECG, no do or the omo companies no so they be fair be kwai so ebegu no. Inti Dr. Indum so be kasa pa no esi e masa edin. Esa other companies na survive no. E no kra be why you look be finish no so. E no so dey aka ho. Ah, ma che say omo disturb companies ya disturb ya Dr. Indum so be ba Ghana ha. This enkrofo akopọ papa chew.
Wow.
Yes, and so wabesi unimbientia because obu hu se omu nya efin bia mfangu papa no wona papa no so mum na dia ba akogina court o Dr. Indum dia ba akogina court o ma court no mo mba e no mo hu asem no e affect omu but on person Dr. Indum so omu kana no tuni no me ye omu ye se Dr. Indum bedu airport pano di yoko ebe hia no airport wo ni aye de ni na ko twere corner kakra ni agu ne hu fi ni aye story Indum arrested na said they good ni hu fi internationally san reputation no all of these things in now omo de ye nkrofo amanfo mba omo post nkrofo no man di o man sika o na onim Kennedy Agyapong asem de ye ka minya humobro bia ma no because sabi o oyare ocheye nananom na omo musika ti o omo ambobo se fi aban ho omo anje obi de omo anka bia nhyem omo akasa omo sika now Kennedy Agyapong because of mismanagement this burning nti omo copy Minister of Finance omo ti ho chairmu obi ehia na eduro otumi nto na Kennedy Agyapong say you can go to hell no otchere sangrov no onu ye de to ho chairmu put the Asante cabbage and ne ba ye de be soup ye de be stew edi hwe Kennedy Agyapong boni awadi nanim me adeba kwa Kennedy Agyapong eye mahi aye metan ewo special prosecutor Sammy aye koso we nyina ne say wo kai mre bia atwa metwe adwen na Kennedy Agyapong yare na nim ahoho pafo
okoye yi bae
ana Ghana fo ka the party fo ka chene say resign fa wajuma to honum na wapomuden no na focus on wapomuden Kennedy Agyapong say obe the yare no munyina no obetumi aye adwuma because the whole Ghana no pe no nyansa che obi anti adwuma no ofi hono mu a obi tumi nye to say all resign da ogina mu a ne yare no munyina papa say mu ya da kura adwuma no meye na sende na say yes adwuma na wo say wo yare kura obeye na no hunti ye fro say be yi nsam ano no wo say no the same yare no the year skills say untumi mba because wo yare na san wodin na odi ye adwuma fa san wodin na fa plane braga na be you one way na the area no so nim say san na Akufo Addo na busuafo they are very disrespectful people omu nipa they think some are superior they think that they are more important than anybody look at the tone of the letter you know impression of creating say special prosecutor me small boy like I to say or replying officially or reply to say makola like I don't have time I can't come how can you respond to special prosecutor and as a state agency say you are out of jurisdiction indefinitely so it means that Dompreh munye bia and they should talk to your people who the hell do you think you are who ya why and what me aka say wo de yankoi o asem no mu no bi fufuro nko kasa na me de emabunu no na me ni omo kasa ma obi anko gigi ntokwa enko ka nsam basabasa bia Kanofori Atta mu di omuzika no wanya bia ndi wan benefit amode ma omo gas no wonka ho na nyawo nande because of these greedy people no wo ba no aba be sorry say wo beje ma unimu maaje no akoje Mahama omo dabi me de owura Kanofori Atta ade na special prosecutor watchi na kwakosi ayi even say en malanim na ya kacha ne say ombra no be yi ni ho no ombra. Look at the amount of money involved. Who can Kanofori Atta wo yare? Sabi o nka wo nyansa na wo adwen papa. $58 million ya odi koto atchere di koto amna we. Na ka odi ko see health medical facility ya ebe sha o kidney, ebe sha wa bra wo apomuden a. Na ka mwa wo yare no wo hu nyansa adwen money nti odi koto atchere. Enda wo ti obi man so. Sa wo ji ayare sa. The same sika no wo fanya bibi amia nya so fa so. Enti me de meka kwa kosi se owura Kanofori Atta ehumobro bia ni hono mu a esese obi timi tra baabi beka se Kanofori Atta munya abotre ye nya abotre because we dibone ono wanya considerate MDC for MPP for ba aban mu no unim se bone omu dia di nkrofo a man consider omo hwe obia ena table 10 ye no obi abeba osi o we are brothers, we are one family, we are one people. Only why na one people. Only why. Send your mo bisa nsem no mo church mu no. NLA. Ese so mo ko.
National Lottery Authority.
Yes. Samia uku. Omo nyina ese se ehwehwe omo achi. Apart from that, one NSA. National Service Authority NSS
National Service
Secretariat. Kwabena Agyapong ghost names are ewomu 81,000
2024
na sika no na otchere report no na say there was some kind of connivance between University of Education, UCC and UDS using one name CB any index number o create and no mudi disika no and a syndicate na unim say MPP for nangasa no omo bokro no no manfa nyansa nto ho into 2 time a omo nkasa omo susum any omo shadow say ehunehunu omo no unim say omo vote nangasa na omo party here omo matra power mu no omo dwane ja vote no gift your mu nyina omo dwane before e beto aba
gift your requirements and election
omo nyina call ye cross and e beto aba because they were scared
no omo nin so omo lusu ahwa omo ntimi mfa kotokanko. Oh, okay.
Bebre omo ni Ghana ha omo participate in the elections. Many of them they were not here. And I see now omo how the results and the outcome no send basa but they knew said they were targets. Whatever will happen in the elections, whether their party wins or not, no, sabasa yes, yeah, people will come after them. So omo dwane call ye kra dada. Me betina hanum say, and na make catch say. Minimum crofo omo both pro MPP that time pro government people are omo nyina de omo families nyina ko US omo hanum keke na make electoral commission workers na make catch political parties any MPP for penifo all these things it me special prosecutor you knew all this and then one fine bag one to omo so no went to like one prevent omo from leaving the country. Time now mo ba pa season for passports. Almost season for passports. Then they stop you from seizing these people on passports.
So omo koi and sana election edu. So
it's here correspondence now happen between special prosecutor and the Kennedy Agyapong. It started long ago. And sa attitude say member me fimu no. Owo Ghana ha ni nyina no. No dem dis ankita ho na enye na asem. So if uni na yesa adwuma na unim say suspecting based on one kasa won can say o suspecting say on person ba really ne ho a enya embargo keke na rebeto ne so ono e hwan omo ye hwan omo do di bone obi di omo bi enya yie omo do di bone a na obi di omo bi enya yie me de mimi ni ahumobro because bone omo di nipa hwe for 8 years because of Kanofori Atta I can tell you say more than 5,000 people enya adwuma ye aduane koma no ye hand to mouth
8 years.
8 years. I can tell you for a fact say because of Ofori Atta you will member bebre onum sisi a omaware egu because omoduane omusano duane ebo mu entimi hwo mo family mu emo mu ne omoyere anaso mu kunu mu ntematete because enyem mayede na mo de wakakodi bone awie say hwesika look at the money, the amount of money involved rubi sounds how they kwai wo de ye den o kai say metra baby say ti bone an na Akufo Addo na busuafo di Ghana ha yet o metna habi and some another country be on bekom and clearly no it is showing say they didn't have any plans so many emba betna Ghana ha
because na na so ni Ghana ha
clearly no oma unim de oma ye who say omo ye plan no mo ye no mo ma gabby ebo 7 without appointment no ono untimi fa charge bia mo no nam honum din sa eno unu so no waka akire o okwa no aba eno no no tse gangalia nti ono no sort nyama wa akire because oma gada sika na gu ho nti eno ne se oba na otuatua wa akire dia cover Ofori Atta ne nyama because kan gu ho and that's their plan. And another strategy bi omo ye omo de ba ne so no say omo person omo ye to say omo targeted like abaina ba no wa target omo family. They want to give the government a bad name. So at the end of the day, no. Oh, say omo fa state lands no mo first carrying na. No my imagine say omo beji. Oba na beji e bet say o share that na o beji omo di omo fa kwan pass. Be what the news say ade no mo ye enye. It's the same thing they are trying to do. Now o share Ofori Atta na. Omo ye say Ofori Atta ndo yare. Em say the man e make kono on change and sacrifice no. Na sika no mo de mo ni mabusuafo nkodi. Endro me ko restaurant bi. Na me kwa koto aduane. Na me restaurant one mu a na me hu young guys best 3 bi eh me makosa me kwa koto me dia no 70 cedi no kura me hu so na guys u kobo mu di no na me to di yo metin say when I was in London I send this something money no way so no abosika $2,000 we so like dollar asem no mu di o and I became curious say eh ekulabe na mundi 25 years kura mu bobosika kese say so me hwa me hu say na me hu say ma mobra. Hey, the guy say, and I'm a pimbe or mona me bisa guy back was oh. Hey, Charlie, you people you do what they happy. Then like a Juma Ben amwe almost you or back to so school or London and about also so US but on my back no more on my base. Omo koy back ko bo ba kudi and papa S government for ni bi. Okay. Abrapa all ponisika odi nti ono je se ne papa abo bracha me papa o yes
na ne papa wa abemu
ti o da bi bo no beka se ne papa ebo bra me papa wa mo bra but the same krono sika no na ne money ka $2,000 $3,000 asema mi ni bi yo and sanya ma wo nyina koso mo de sisi ano mo de esiesie mo nchiri ma ebeba o kai se na Akufo Addo first time omo ko family reunion bi family reunion biatim aye omo grandchildren, nephews, nieces, uncles and grandpapas omo nyina ko hia wa abrochire omo to dan bi on the whole street no na Akufo Addo na busuafo ato ho nyina o hu sa video no Asante Bediatuo eshe singlet mote ya chimu omo to waterfront. See, that is the life omo wi o man sika no omo yo madwe say believe they ho no you better be sorry no mama esanso be ba 50 years esanso be di ya emba so enu ti last time try ka say see a true book near the to record so near esanso keep registry records of omuma omunana anomu omunchirima ni ma kole wo machi nyina ye de omunyina to register to the publish near banyo omudin near mamu say sa man boy for we we shouldn't see their type again because coming kroma near ma omdi omuna nanom dom de kwame kroma no omusuba money no omumana eje so omako ba bi no omo no mesanso ba bi wa omudin di gabby omudin di na Akufo Addo omudin di Ofori Atta
Asante Bediatuo
no omubedi bone no some man aso omde omukosko amanone no omunso na eba sanso be di bone bio we should be able to check them all out ni ehun se sankofo emi emom sanso mba bio
3 man na me say 1,000 years ti adane ko to me say the night no me kwada be 1 hour me sorry me bom paye kakra ni ade me say me ka ade kura me en say ade be chame ato aba na changes aba na me say changes aba ye no appointment ye chiche ye nya bidie but still now nipa wani je mo ti ase nipa ni je pa en chiche do bia be nya bi on fa nko ene na obri bu ahen ka no e ka na me hwe ni we bi o YouTube o mani age TikTok was say the muye kenken kwa said the muye ska munya yina muanya mumfanko na anu a enu a yesi eba ema machumre so obribo he wonka ho tiskana wonya na wonko anfa koye no eho ama ne hu de obenya wotima say mia me nua Abu Ramadan first Abu Ramadan be fie enemy area no di agro 24 hours on me bibia wo me han wo NPP ba ya Abu Ramadan timbe ya Abu ye onya Ramadan de kan ho
na konta ba ye
yes ya wo hu se sebia mu sebia nya do se be ma tibi gina na so e be ma o frɛ na won fa na ene se bi obi pe bibi wo ye hwe a won fa se si e me hwe da na me hwe me betra na me hwe me fraction a wo frɛ back me hwe da fraction wo frɛ forward me hwe na me hwe because me testing the mood a hwe bibi me checking out to be yana na onim because Abu na no asase a mu ko bubu dai gu yi wo so e be che obi o
man no MPP ni no a
ne dai na mu ko bubu ye ni ada
10 buildings
yes una ule dia ni bubu ye ene ye no vice president na kunta ni ada e ya bu Ramadan ye wa obi bia ho da bi ade akwajo una ule dia enne ye me fraction wo fa sem ke ye be chewa wo be so jo me cry sponsor me chewa me be chewa
kwajo se be ya kan dia otini baby na akwa flash
me na first me fra na no fa
da wo fa ja de
anti na me fraction na je wa fra me back what
so o flash ya na akate
na me kate no
na wo akwa na
ba me kate no afrem nya de me peke nya hwe me ya what man say ye be ma so no fa ne normal obi a wodi won bia won sabeka e mo se wo ban no se president ban ne niam de da form din make na me show bo se na 3 months away ni mu bia na office wo ni pa di krofo be tru america ho keke se krofo so akoma bp ni ade ye do twa dan no round crown you be fa won awu because wo mo chi Kojo Mpianim former chief of staff ye di ni wura mo ye nyina wura inside headquarters no ye di so mo de ne o se no mo de na pia bonti wadru ka okudi die no yeti yeso mredro no msa na pie papa no ye yi no ubusa di crown tibi mo say friend Kojo Mpianim ewiase nyina afro ye chi o mariwa de ni phone afternoon ntima nkoje o mariwa de me ne frame na nko be no otima ne ka no krakwa o mo je o mo anya de
ade
gadu o msa de man bi
oh some say
some
say ono ane dia
ade people no dey buy e chopper wa pani ade afred wo de ato ne we ni start ene Nyankopon ada Roma ene Nyankopon ba mu wi ade awie ni agia wo si Nyankopon
ese do mo ye evangelism o
man fi omo wotima se afre obi timi ka se nya anuafo woni wa na anuafo
we are one family
abu gina po ka se because ni nia John ti no we so another example no abu case ho abu da ma ngu cases ye nya yo you be make sure say be move ten out be example da mo forget 3 months away ni mo e konana enkrofo be demu rough ebi ko when your police station issues oh
but send na mu ni de Kwajo wo betimi achi
nana ansa na be court
the
first 48 no one hwe ya trauma bi abefamu no ye do ko 10 years kra nu ho na dey say ye ntouch ni pani ade ni nya within that 48 within that way no
uchi obi a say obi a suspect na achi na ye touch ni de fi hifa ne be
nana ye do ko bia na won wo de omo ho na eda no ye authentic say we ni asa short na ba normal level ni e de kote the same room ro tie bia do na wo ko ni nyina so light ebom ni bia wani bebo eti ado ko last one ade abetima ya ne so beda ho ni aso light amount eno ko 48 hours beba no wani asai eye normal I'm telling you ye cho mari wadi abekwa be no hye sa ba sheet blue and white ni bia pie side eno ogina ho street bi wura mu anakoma to no se ni nua bam wotima aba bia na da no wura mu ye bokoko kwa wonti o that dear door no ye the hammer crab man to the other side me am ko bail obi give me phone so afem besu we do ye dem ko first second me ye wu wotima se ti ba bia me ko da no hyemu no first second no second mu to ko third and fourth one mu na ye no awie ye obi amfane nsa nkan nya hwe ho and a light wo ho no eno kwa ye enough for you 24 hours and 48 hours ye wi na ro court wani say aso ani answer obi amfane mo woni wotima se etiem for mu ni agro say do mu di agro na ye bibia nye na me shobo send this for be adwuma papa because the system the way kwa e bibia be kokama
ya go obi kura din say wanted kura so I traumatized
na
ene so wo rabia na dia ompie obewu
na we just say na smooth na no to no
parliament na ye say won ayi Ofori Atta is traumatized because of that
why ya chichin grofo papa kura no mabobra papa e kura do mu komu
oh ya former finance minister please
obi appoint obi na man appointment
no. And former finance.
And the when ni party say ya Frank go so go di dream. And go for former finance minister. O mo tifie o mo wie ya from ya nyatwe. Ada na nko ade.
You cry former finance minister wadam pay.
Wadam pay. Wan pepra mo. Ya ma ko former mo so na nya de ketewa. America do mo tuye. Victor Somios wan podo ko wu ya na me boa. Wotima woni ko wu ya. Oba na obewu ye. Wotima say me ne wo ka say NCA TV woni so da so dem.
Okay, NCA for no.
NCA o mo da so dem. Woni say papa na ko no order dialysis so.
Wow.
I'm telling you, Akufo Addo nipa boni nti no wotimi fa papa we ni ono wan se bia mu no abo bra na ne bra bo woni mu ono awo ne machia dey check na ekwa order so dem. Ye ba ye mpa ye microphone bu nya nyi do. Ade de papa dey no ye so nkoto nsuo e no kwa o dey ade no koto onsa ade kwa de koto ba so anamu yusu wotima order so dem na wo fida wo dey wo arufida onko wono no order wo ya mama wo woni machine bi ade be kwa so dey ayama ma e kwalebu every day one be nyanta adwuma no ye de wo kwa nu anu no eto Ofori Atta de on forget say we won be kom nyina be ko obia be ko bi eti mu anu ye frem mu amfa mu ni mu ye no mo time aba chief of staff ne ba won say ne ba na say no what is aba
me won report
won aba no
me won for testing
report anka we be kan ba
na say
ni chief of staff ne ba boy your friend na say ne ba boy ne friend na say what say
me won say for testing
didn't report won so report aba eti chief of staff an ko dem aba bedem what was me see anya wo ye anya we be nya aba eti obi be nya obia ne de tina na me show mo bo so obia anya di Ghana de we da from na nu anu no ye no anya ebone me ko kan asem keke e wo TV so South is na national security for match me because di 2 months e wo Afabu apartment ye de makosi
uko di 2 months oyi
e wo Afabu apartment Afabu jiwa Yakupon Addo
I say udwane
na kata ko mbekume ye ba me fie more than 10 times ye pe match me nana anaju da suom no bi frɛ me ma me hint no bi pia me ye course ene ye ba be fa me what man say eno de empanifo ya de ndisi empanifo eno mo bo ame ama me di almost 2 months e wo ogbojo Afabu apartment me nko a
ye do hye baby
me hye dem nko a me kwa 2 bedroom and hall
bibio
me kwa ba ya me number when the track nti o mu a na ma mama different number na ma kasa radio so na TV so ba ko se ba ya me feel okay kakra na ma yesa me ho obi anche me ese ye pe ma che me tie ma ko sie na nipa bre ma dwane sa de o mu nyina na me nko am hye ogbojo chese uni wo life na say wo hu abusu ni hu obi a me nko am hye okopem se empanifo timi kan ensem ama ne ba afom a yesi metuma pie and Ukraine dim na mde pie that day na pie msa be radio show say ye be chime ana ye be chime ne nhwe sa no mo ka chime mra ne ye be chime ana me ye ne ye jai kama ni nyina chief of staff
fremo opare
ono a ena mko ka asem no ade ana ayawa so eso ogon ye registration ne ye ena me kan ampa so ne ye register de wo fie kama what ma say registration ne ye fie kama asa ne na najo abagibi bre no sa na ne ye no na me church mu na obi ahu ba bia Ghana ye difi ene ba bia dro ni kwa say ye o mu mi na o de kum akwa na mo ko pere mra ne pepa ne bi ngo no
se bia na for frɛ o mo frɛ
ale ko mo pa ne
because asam na wo kan no e security issue
o pe obi a kina na juna ba ba chibi 1 am ma kunipa ada na mo ma anopa na awia me fie less than 30 minutes atam no fi e be fie adru another lane so less than 30 minutes ye me fie nyina ye wram ba bia me koso me hunya to manfa me car no ti car ni si o esima tu kwai enti what ya say won't be trace ka mo pa mo fa car nko na na kai si o sa be na ties nyina adwojo we mu mo punish ni pase na mo di abane e be punish mo kakra mo mna mo di kum punish when de be koso be ko ye si last year no e be si this year pepepe obi anya obi anu na obi ani mo bia to be amfa to the team say the aba mo di ball take be ba pepepe what man say and this for we mu ayi say do agongo case ya na yesi ato agu ni ade na na say wo hwe ka mo ball lawyers ho ene niam anya de keto awo ni nyina mo atwe mo abo so sa na me kan we bi wo so ne ko hye bia ne say
cells 2 days
na nke be kedo asade de nipa hye cells
enkrofo afamu o
sade de nipa hye cells normal thing court no ya no ne ko court en wan ya fo ko hye cells 2 days ya ko so light esi ne so enu se oni akoma na be ba na de ato ne ya de keto awo What my moya sanko for when you na abrakra when you bonibia, ye ne, Musma ye be near the Mokwa, Musi Derby. MPP for one nipa 80 something or 90, Mubasi and Kegi Kenofata, a quarter gun and fast with Casamia than your papa. Namuni when you na parliament young PCA. Nasabi Abusabe Nasa, OSP, a status officer in a Juma, go first Uncle Nam and one nam, says Grofaba Ginanachi. It will be my Juma no ya, and only. Nana mo fan to mo team say adwuma we be ko so kama
yo waiting for when a year reporter about Betudwa Mikao says so we subscribe to channel idea Bomodian say obe subscribe since had the latest hot Kwa Enamede bremo afi we are now like video give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memo hanam wo so betimi achire wadwen afaye ensemo we nyina ho ewo comment box mu obeti minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.